Or does it say who is it
Fart
by?
shaker.
No, stay.
Does it say who it's
You
by?
gotta make sure that that doesn't pop up on your phone when you're at the customer's house.
Yeah.
It's a fart shaker.
Oh my god.
Fart game.
Clearly you didn't get over this
Tom,
when you were in 6th grade. Mike.
Do they have, burp and fart
Look,
piano.
they're being recorded. This is going to end up on Wendy's
Burp.
YouTube account.
Fart cushion.
It used to be a whoopee cushion.
Oh, yeah, that is that. It's not free on.
Nice.
Does it work? Oh.
No.
It might work if
My
you put
stomach
it on
hurts
the
now.
shaking one.
Yeah. Put my finger, that's great. Fart machine extreme. Fart will be triggered by sound, movement, and touch.
Sound.
Trigger mode. Movement.
So if you're sitting, then lift your butt cheek. That's great. Oh, that's really good.
And sound. Hey. Sensitivity. Hey. Hey, Linda.
What?
Cassie has a burping one.
Oh, it's fart and burp.
There's the icon. You see it in the upper left-hand corner.
Oh yeah, I think that one's a pay one on mine. Oh, my stomach hurts from laughing. That's enough of that. Oops, sorry, Malik.